Quick update. We're going to be picking a lot out of the garden pretty soon. This is a passive hydroponic system. The tanks run on gravity, no electricity. I was wondering if it was going to grow just as fast as the ground or regular hydroponics, and it's not too far off from it. These beans are already producing. They're almost a month old. All these plants that I planted in the seed, you can go back and look at the videos done from just a couple weeks ago, and you'll see how small they were and how big everything's getting. Trying to find these tomatoes right here, and gonna have to start trimming everything. Cat keeps walking through. Makes it hard to grow when the animals won't stay out. It's been so hot. This Galley spinach has bloomed. I'm gonna let it go ahead and set some seeds. That way I'll have some. Everything else is doing pretty good. Tomatoes are doing real good. Okra's doing good. The bell peppers, this is California Wonder here. First bloom opened up. We're going to be trimming out this Florida broadleaf mustard. Start trimming up the kale. Going to be picking okra just about every day now. Got some radishes planted down here. And these beans are getting ready to start blooming. I'm not too proud of the squash plants. They're kind of rough. But the tomatoes are doing real good. And then the leafy greens, that's always a given.